Welcome to A&M Mechanical Channel. Today we are going to be completely rebuilding a trailer, making it fully functional again. We picked up this trailer for free with a boat on it, and the boat was scrapped. So we went ahead and got rid of the boat, cost us $100, so we got the trailer for $100, and now we're going to try to repair this trailer for what we have in the garage, and any other ways just free. Okay, then we're going to try and sell the trailer. Right now, today, what we are going to do is we're going to repair the jack in the front of it, which was completely folded over and bent. We're going to repair the winch, and we're going to repair the rollers that help load the boat onto the trailer.
What about that one? The yellow torch.
My good ones at work. I just don't want to like make it look like I've been there, you know? Starting to get penetrated, look out. Actually coming down through it. Standstill because I don't have a torch. The torch is not hot enough to bend it back into place. I've been swinging the camera a lot longer than you, buddy. Oh no! Oh.
Looks good, it's pretty flavorful.
It's right here that I'm worried about. See this? Fill it. You'll fill a flat spot right there. Alright, we win.
Oh yeah, that's real good.
A rag and a broom handle. Look at how well it already cleaned it out with one pass. Here's our next project. That one's pretty much done. There it is. There it is. penetrating oil. Look at that.
You now have a freaking power tool that does this? That thing with grease, it'll be a beautiful thing.
Oh yeah! Oh my God! Yeah, stroke it.
Just like I said, it's gonna be pressed out.
Alright, so we're going to cut the head of this off so we can attempt to reuse this wheel. When the head gets cut off, then this comes out and we should be able to straighten this pad as long as we use a torch on it. Once we use the torch, it'll straighten out with the other one, and then I can drill this out and actually replace just the bolt, saving myself, again, money. Of course, taking a lot more time to do it, but still. Just in case you guys are curious, that's a 36 grit die grinder sanding disc. Okay, works excellent for all of this application, and you can see how rough the rust is right there, right? Again, let's coat it with some more anti-seize in hopes of a much better result than the last And let's just keep in mind, we have spent $0. Check that out. Alright, so we're going all the way down with it and all the way up. Make sure it actually does its job. Build it. Alright guys, so that's how you fix a receipt or a trailer jack with no money. Because we still gotta
fix this chain link here. Find some type of hole here, because we're going to need some room to it. Without this guy latching like it's supposed to, and I'm not sure why that is. I'll have to figure that out. That's what keeps it on the boat trailer, so if that's not like doing its job, then it's not safe. So let's get everything cleaned up. That was our main feat today, and we got our cable roll. We got a couple little tweaks to do on this, but we've almost got this trailer 100%. Pull them apart or push them together to get it to hold in place. And then we want to take this off. This is truly what's our problem. Without these being good solid washers, we don't have anything structural to hold those wheels on to protect the boat. This right here is your nylon collar that actually takes all of the abuse and is coated, makes the wheels spin real nice and smoothly on it. In the light. Hey, where's our new wheel? Oh, I haven't got one.
We'll get a new damn whip.
We've got this one. We got our sleeve, but we're missing washers. See what I'm saying? So I need those washers. We can take these off like so. Well, now, that's a good looking washer. A lot different, right? We can slide that on here. And we're using old stuff, but look at how much money we're saving. Now we want to go here. Gonna fight that on a little bit. We're gonna need to get some different types of pliers. This is all we want to do. Just squish those two together. That's all it takes. That piece is not coming off. Now see that? Good to go. We are trying to keep this to a budget, so I only want to repair the ones that we have to. However, if you can see this one, which it looks like you can, see how it's smooth? It just doesn't match the rest of them. So we're going to go ahead and replace this one too, so everything looks like it's supposed to be there. Now, if you wanted to, they sell like an entire kit of these for anywhere from $200 to like $50 for a smaller amount of these. They are great. We are trying to save money. We're trying to do this for nothing. And we're just going to repeat this entire procedure and work our way back. So again, we're just taking this little piece here, finesse it on out of here as gently as possible because we want to try to reuse these. I don't want to break. That's as easy as it is. You see how easy that was? These guys look like they got a lot of material left to them. So I think we're safe reusing these guys. It's just the wheel that does not look good. That one right here. We've got those wheels fixed, we've got those wheels fixed. So they both move like that. That's what they actually support under the boat. Those ones are both working really well. So you can see these ones are a little bit rougher than the other ones. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wheels that we have to replace. We've had a couple issues with these ones. These ones are usually the ones further back on the boat. So they end up getting a lot more rusted, and because they get more in the water than the front ones do. So these ones are a little bit more challenging, but you can see we've already gotten these working really nicely. So now we just want to get these off so we can get some good hardware on here. And whoever gets this boat trailer is going to be really happy with their boat trailer. It's going to do its job really well. This is one of those ones that we're really going to fight with. There you go. There you go. We might even be able to salvage it. Nope, there's nothing left of it. We just had one right here. so in order to get this to work right, I'm going to grind this completely flat so that I can actually punch a center hole in here so we actually get it all lined up right. Take this little center punch right here. Hopefully I haven't trashed it too much. I think you grab the dullest drill bit I got. Not sure if we're going to get any luckier. The drills are pretty worn out. The metal carries in, but I think we're good. There we go. That's about all we need, really. Oh, look at all that dust and crap coming out of there. Ooh, yep, there we go. Jackpot. Now we are ready for 2 more wheels. Now keep in mind, everybody, every wheel that we've used on this trailer right now has been off of another scrapped trailer, which cost me nothing. All I did is I put out a little thing on Facebook saying, has anyone got any scrap parts for trailers for the roller wheels? Within an hour, I got a call. Again, we're simply taking this little clip, hooking it into there, and we are pinching it until they actually close. It's a pretty simple system.